Hello children, Structure of the Atom, Class 9, Subject Science, Chapter 1, and this is the part 11. So in the previous class we have studied about the different types of valency, right? So which are those? Electrovalency and covalency, right? So in today's class let us study few more definitions. Okay, so in the last class, in the ninth part of this, we have studied about the atomic number, mass number and all, right? I hope it's ninth. No, it's eighth. In the part 8 we have studied about the atomic number and mass number, right? So like that we have got three more definitions. So isotopes. So what do you mean by isotopes? They are those elements which have same atomic number but different mass number. So see, atomic number has to be same whereas mass number has to be different. Okay, so we have studied about the atomic number and mass number definition. So what do you mean by atomic number? It is nothing but the number of protons in an element. And what do you mean by mass number? Protons and neutrons together, it is called as mass number. Right? So let's take an example of hydrogen. So hydrogen exists in three forms, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. Okay, so how do you write the protium as representation of an element? See, protium, hydrogen is the symbol and its atomic number is 1 and its mass number is 1. Then it is called protium. And what do you mean by deuterium? Hydrogen, its atomic number is 1 and mass number is 2. And tritium, atomic number is 1 and mass number is 3. Okay, so these are called as isotopes. So hydrogen exists in three different forms. Okay, as you all can see, the atomic number is same, that is 1, whereas it differs in mass number. And in protium it is 1, in deuterium it is 2 and in tritium it is 3. Okay, and also carbon also exists in two forms, that is C612 and C614. Okay, so they are called as isotopes. Next comes isobars. So what do you mean by isobars? See, they are those elements which have same mass number but different atomic number. Okay, so isotopes means what? Same atomic number but different mass number. Whereas isobars means same mass number but different atomic number. So as you all can see in this example, argon is having the atomic number as 18 and mass number is 40. And calcium atomic number is 20 and mass number is 40. So you can see here mass number is same, that is 40. Okay, so therefore argon and calcium are called isobars. Okay, so here in the above example, argon and calcium both has mass number as 40. Hence they are called isobars. Okay, so they differ in atomic number. And last definition is isotones. So what do you mean by isotones? Isotones are those elements which have same number of neutrons. Okay, so how can you get the number of neutrons? See, once you know the mass number and once you know the atomic number, when you subtract those two, you get the number of neutrons. Right? Therefore, let's take an example of oxygen here. So, oxygen's atomic number is 8, which means number of proton is also 8, number of electron is also 8. Right? So, we know that mass number is 16. Mass number means what? Proton plus neutron is nothing but the mass number. Right? So, mass number is nothing but proton plus neutron. So, once you know the atomic number means what? Number of protons. So, when you know proton and when you know mass number, you can easily calculate the number of neutrons. That is, when you subtract those two, you get directly you get the number of neutrons. Therefore, 16 minus 8 is what? 8. Therefore, number of neutrons in oxygen is 8. And let's take an example of nitrogen. Nitrogen's atomic number is 7. Therefore, proton is also 7 and electron is also 7. So, we know that the mass number is 15. So, when you subtract 7 from 15, we get the neutron as 8. So, what happens here? Oxygen's neutron and nitrogen's neutron both are 8. Therefore, they are called as isotones. Okay, which means isotones are those elements which have same number of neutrons. summary, we have studied about isotopes, isobars and isotones. So here are few questions to be answered. So first question is define isotopes. Second question is define isobars. Third question is define isotones. And fourth question, if bromine atom is in the form of two isotopes, okay, which means bromine's atomic number is, mass number is how much? 79, and one more bromine atoms is 81. Their abundance is 49.7% and 50.3%. So find average atomic mass. Okay, so what do you mean by isotopes? Isotopes means what? Which have same atomic number but different mass number. So here mass number is different, 79 and 81, right? So how to calculate the average atomic masses? By solving this formula. So average atomic mass is equals to abundance, first bromine's atomic abundance into mass number plus second bromine's abundance into mass number divided by 100. When you put all this value in this formula, you can easily solve and get the average atomic mass. Okay, I hope you have understood this unit, structure of the atom. So this is the last part of this unit. Okay, hope you all have understood this unit. Thank you, children. Let's continue in next class with new chapter.